Hey everyone, I'm so glad you could join us today. Get ready, because we're about to go on a journey that's full of color, excitement, and a little bit of magic. Have you ever wondered where balloons come from, or how they're made? Well, you're in the right place. Ready for an amazing adventure? I hope you're as excited as I am, because what we're about to see is truly incredible. Imagine a place where every corner is bursting with color, and every machine is working hard to create something fun. That's where we're headed. Today we're visiting a place where balloons are born. This isn't just any factory, it's a magical workshop where ordinary materials are transformed into the balloons we all love. From the outside, it looks like a giant box of crayons, but inside, it's even more amazing. Balloons go on a big journey before they reach our parties. They travel through busy machines, get packed into boxes, and are shipped all over the world. The next time you see a balloon at a birthday or a celebration, you'll know it's been on quite an adventure to get there. We'll follow a balloon from sticky goo to party-ready fun. It all starts with a thick, stretchy liquid called latex. This gooey stuff is the secret ingredient that makes balloons so bouncy and stretchy. Watching it transform is like seeing a science experiment in action. This factory is like a playground for balloons filled with whirring machines and bright colors. Everywhere you look, there are spinning wheels, dipping arms, and conveyor belts moving balloons along their journey. It's noisy, busy, and absolutely fascinating. We'll see how upside-down egg-shaped molds help create the balloon shape. These molds are dipped into the latex, and when they come out, they're coated in a thin layer that will soon become a balloon. It's a bit like dipping eggs in paint, but way more fun. It's like being a detective uncovering the secret of balloons. We'll peek behind the scenes, explore hidden corners, and discover how every step in the process is important. There's so much to learn, and every machine has its own special job. We'll learn about the special trees that give us the stretchy stuff for balloons. These are called rubber trees, and they grow in warm, rainy places. Workers carefully collect the latex from the trees, making sure not to harm them, so the trees can keep giving us more. Then we'll see how colors are mixed in to make them super bright. The factory workers are like artists, choosing the perfect shades and mixing them into the latex. That's how we get red, blue, yellow, and every color you can imagine. Every balloon you've ever played with has been on this journey, from a drop of goo to a floaty friend. It takes time, care, and a lot of teamwork to make each one. Watching the process from start to finish is like seeing a story unfold right before your eyes. Are you ready to see how it all works? Let's explore the magical world of balloon making. We'll walk through the factory together, meet the people who make the magic happen, and maybe even spot some surprises along the way. This is a behind-the-scenes look at how your favorite party toys come to life. You'll see how each balloon is checked for quality, how they're sorted and packed, and how the workers make sure every balloon is perfect before it leaves the factory. We'll meet the balloon makers and see their incredible machines. These workers are experts at what they do, and they love sharing their knowledge. They'll show us how they keep everything running smoothly, and maybe even share a few fun facts. By the end, you'll be a balloon expert, ready to share the story with your friends. You'll know all about the journey from tree to party, and you'll be able to spot the different types of balloons at your next celebration. The adventure starts now. Let's step inside the factory. Get ready to be amazed, because the world of balloons is more wonderful than you ever imagined. Let's go!
Know you've been a good friend.
Our adventure begins in a sunny forest with special rubber trees. Inside these trees is a milky white liquid called latex, the secret ingredient for balloons. Workers carefully collect the latex sap in big buckets. This all-natural sap is what makes balloons stretchy and strong. After collection, the sap is sent to the factory in large containers. The factory workers check the latex to make sure it's clean and perfect. Without this latex, balloons wouldn't stretch or bounce. So, next time you hold a balloon, remember the amazing rubber tree that shared its sap. The journey from forest to factory is just the beginning. Now, the sticky latex is ready for its next big adventure. Let's see what happens when it arrives at the factory. Now we have big vats of white latex, but balloons need color. Factory workers add special pigments, super colorful powders and liquids. Giant mixers swirl the color into the latex, turning it into bright red, blue, yellow, and more. Each color has a secret recipe to make it just right. Sometimes they mix colors to create new ones, like orange or purple. The factory looks like a rainbow kitchen, with vats of every color. Workers make sure the color is smooth and even, no lumps allowed. Once mixed, the colorful latex is ready for the next step. Now we have vats of every color, waiting to become balloons. It's amazing how a simple white liquid becomes a rainbow of possibilities. Ready to see how the color turns into a balloon? Let's go to the dipping station. Here's where balloons get their shape. It all starts with a fascinating process deep inside the factory, where the magic of balloon making truly begins. If you've ever wondered how a flat piece of rubber turns into a bouncy, colorful balloon, this is the moment where it all takes form. The factory uses special molds shaped like uninflated balloons. These molds are made from sturdy metal and are designed to mimic the exact shape and size of the finished balloon, but in a solid form. Each mold is carefully crafted to ensure every balloon comes out just right, with a smooth surface and perfect curves. Hundreds of molds line up on a big board, attached to a giant machine. This machine is the heart of the operation, moving the molds through each step of the process with precision and speed. The molds are arranged in neat rows, ready to be dipped all at once, making the process efficient and consistent. The machine lowers the molds into vats of colorful latex. These vats are filled with liquid latex in every color you can imagine: reds, blues, yellows, greens, and more. The latex is kept at just the right temperature and consistency, so it sticks perfectly to the molds. The sticky latex coats each mold, creating a thin, colorful layer. As the molds are dipped, the latex clings to every curve and contour, forming the first, delicate skin of the balloon. This layer is what will eventually become the stretchy, bouncy surface we all recognize. Timing is everything. Too short, and the balloon is too thin; too long, and it's too thick. Skilled workers and precise timers make sure each mold spends just the right amount of time in the latex. This careful control ensures that every balloon is strong enough to inflate, but still light and flexible. After dipping, the molds are lifted out, now covered in shiny, wet latex. The fresh coating glistens under the factory lights, looking almost like candy. At this stage, the latex is still soft and sticky, so the balloons need to be handled with care. The process repeats for every color, making the factory a busy, colorful place. Each vat holds a different shade, and the molds are dipped again and again to create batches of balloons in every color of the rainbow. The air is filled with the scent of latex and the hum of machines at work. Each dip creates a new batch of future balloons. The production line keeps moving, with fresh molds entering the vats and finished ones coming out, all in a carefully choreographed dance. This step gives balloons their classic shape and color all at once. The molds ensure every balloon is uniform, while the latex provides the bright, eye-catching hues that make balloons so much fun. The molds and latex work together to make the perfect balloon. Without the precise shape of the mold and the right thickness of latex, the balloons wouldn't be able to stretch, float, or pop the way we expect. But the balloons are still wet and fragile. At this point, they can tear or lose their shape easily, so they need to be treated gently as they move to the next stage. Next, they need to get dry and strong. The journey isn't over yet. Drying is what transforms the soft, sticky latex into a tough, stretchy balloon that can be inflated and enjoyed. Let's see how they go from drippy to durable. The conveyor carefully carries the molds, making sure the latex coating stays smooth and even as it heads to the drying area. Off to the drying station. Here, the balloons will be transformed from delicate wet shapes into the strong, colorful party favorites we all know and love. Stay tuned to see how this crucial step brings balloons one step closer to being ready for fun. After the dipping process, the balloon molds are still covered in a layer of wet, shiny latex. You can see little droplets clinging to the surface, making the molds look almost like they're sweating. This is a crucial moment because the latex needs to be spread out perfectly before it dries. To make sure the latex coating is just right, the machine gently spins each mold. This spinning action helps the latex flow evenly all around the mold, so there aren't any thick blobs or thin patches. It's a bit like spinning a lollipop to get the candy coating smooth and even. Workers and machines both check to make sure the coating is perfect. If the latex is too thick in one spot, the balloon could pop easily. If it's too thin, it might not inflate properly. This careful attention ensures that every balloon will be strong, stretchy, and ready for fun. Next, the spinning molds travel slowly through a long tunnel, which acts like a giant warm oven. This tunnel is filled with gentle, heated air that helps the latex dry out and start to harden. The journey through the tunnel is slow and steady, giving the latex plenty of time to transform. The warm air inside the tunnel is carefully controlled. It's not too hot and not too cold, just the right temperature to dry the latex without making it crack or bubble. As the latex dries, it changes from a sticky, shiny surface to a smooth, stretchy rubber. This part of the process is called curing. Curing is what gives the balloon its strength and flexibility. Without curing, the latex would stay soft and sticky, and the balloon wouldn't hold its shape. It's a bit like baking bread. The right amount of heat makes all the difference. As the latex cures, you can actually see the change. The surface goes from glossy and wet-looking to a more matte, powdery finish. This is a sign that the latex is turning into real rubber, ready to be stretched and inflated. Technicians keep a close eye on the temperature and the speed of the conveyor. Every detail matters. If the air is too hot, the balloons could get brittle. If it's too cool, they might not dry properly. The perfect settings mean perfect balloons, every time. After their warm ride through the tunnel, the balloons are now dry and cling tightly to their molds. They look just like the balloons you see at parties, but they're still stuck in place, waiting for the next step. At this stage, the balloons have their final shape and size. They're strong, flexible, and ready for action. But they can't go anywhere until they're removed from the molds. There are just a few more important steps before these balloons are ready to be filled with air and bring joy to celebrations everywhere. Let's follow along and see what happens next in the journey from liquid latex to party-ready balloon. Up next, it's time for a refreshing balloon bath. This step will help get them ready for their big debut. After drying, the balloons take a bath. The racks of molds are dipped into a tank of clean, warm water. This bath washes away any leftover chemicals or dust. It also makes the balloons softer and more comfortable to touch. Sometimes special ingredients in the water help prepare the balloons for the next step. After their bath, the balloons get a dusting of powder like cornstarch. This powder keeps them from sticking together later on. It's a secret trick for perfect balloons. Once washed and powdered, the balloons are almost ready to leave their molds. Every step ensures the balloons are clean, safe, and ready for fun. From latex dip to drying oven to bath, each detail matters. Now it's time for the most exciting part, peeling the balloons off. Let's watch the magic happen. Here's the moment we've been waiting for, peeling the balloons off the molds. Workers or machines use air jets or brushes to roll the balloon off, just like peeling a banana. The rubbery balloon skin rolls up and drops into a big bin below. It's a rainbow explosion. Thousands of fresh balloons in every color. The empty molds go back to the start, ready to make more balloons. Now, our balloons are free, soft, and stretchy. But before they head to the store, they must pass one last test. It's time for the quality check. Every balloon must pass a quality check before it leaves the factory. Quality checkers inspect balloons for holes, thin spots, or weird shapes. They stretch, squish, and sometimes inflate random balloons to test their strength. Only the best balloons make it through. Others are recycled. This ensures every balloon in your package is strong and safe. The quality check is the final exam for our brave little balloons. Once approved, they're ready for the last step. Now, it's time to pack them up for their journey to you. The adventure is almost complete. Let's see how they get ready for the best party ever. We made it to the final step, packing. Special machines count and scoop the right number of balloons into each bag. The bags are sealed tight and labeled with all the important info. Then, the bags are packed into big boxes ready for delivery. Trucks take the boxes to stores all over the world. From a drop of sap to a party, each balloon has had an incredible adventure. Now, they're waiting for someone like you to bring them to life. Every time you blow up a balloon, you complete its journey. Balloons are all about spreading joy and fun. Thanks for joining the adventure. See you at the next party.